everyone, this is HTTC How to Do Something in China. I am Dave. Recently, China has a 144 hours visa-free policy for many countries, and a lot of foreigners came to China and travel. I know it'll be much interesting if I do a traveling vlog for some specific city, but there are so many choices, you know? You guys can't possibly be in the same city. So, I'm thinking, if you're actually in China, what do you need when an idea comes out? You guys know we use our phones a lot, so there must be some apps that we use a lot. To improve your traveling experience, I'm gonna recommend some apps. Please watch till the end to find out more information. First of all, Alipay. It's a payment app in China. You can link it to a credit card like Visa or MasterCard. If you got this done, you can pay everywhere in China. Literally everywhere. If you watched my video, even homeless people use it to beg for money. When we go out, we only carry our phones. No cash, no cards, just phones. It's super easy. It's like a must-download app in China. And if you want more detailed information, watch this video. Next, WeChat. You can also use it to pay, but generally, it's a chat app. Every Chinese have it. If you want to hear a girl or boy, ask for their WeChat. If you met some interesting people when traveling, ask for their WeChat. If you want to get a taxi, use Didi. It is like Uber, but Uber is out of style here. We use Didi more often. And if you want to order takeouts, use Ele.me or Meituan. Hey, check this video. It has more details. And if you want to book a hotel, use trip.com. All the B&Bs are also on it. I've also made a video here. Wow, I've made a lot of guide videos. Good for me, huh? These apps I've mentioned all have English versions, so you can easily understand and use them. But I'm thinking, if I go to a totally strange country and have no guidance, what do I need? There's an app called 大众点评. In Chinese, it means people's review. It's like Yelp or TripAdvisor. In this app, you can find the restaurants, bars, movie theaters, scenic spots, and other more interesting activities. Also, you can find real reviews from real persons on it, so you can have better choices after reading all these real comments. But this app doesn't have English version, so here I am, I'm your translator. So let's see how to use it. First, open the app. On the left part here is your current position. I'm in Ningbo, so it says Ningbo. You should allow it to locate. The first one is food. So on top, there are 5 items. Let's go to the first one. It is the rank of the food. And this one is called food you must have. You know, there are some restaurants. And here, do you see this little black pearl? It is called Hei Zhenzhu, like Michelin in your countries. I think they are a little bit expensive, so let's see this one. On this page, it recommends the restaurants nearby. Let's read it one by one. So first one, this is the name of this restaurant. And then under it, it got 4.6 stars. I think it's quite a good restaurant. And next to it is the number of comments it got. Nearly 20,000, huh? Really popular. We have the average price per person. It is 95. So how do you guys think about it? Expensive or cheap? The right side has the distance between you and the restaurant. 1.6 kilometers. So not very far, I think. And here it also got the coupons and sets of this restaurant. You can choose to save more money, you know. Let's go inside and have a look. This is the homepage of this restaurant. I know you cannot read Chinese, and there are a lot of them, but everyone can read pictures, right? So let's go directly. This picture, click it. And now you can see the environment of this restaurant. Real photos of people eating here. That's nice. And, wow, some dish that looks really delicious, huh? I like this one. It's pork. And the most important one, address. Find this icon of phone, but don't call it if you cannot speak Chinese. Here, click the address. There's an easy map, and under here, there's an orange button that says use other navigations in your phone. Click it and choose the Apple map, because this one has English version. Now you can walk toward it. You can choose a nice restaurant like Chinese, but you are full now and you are thinking, what do I want to do after a meal? So let's go out and see what else do we have. Besides food, we have scenic spots, which is really important when you go to a new city. And then we have hotels, entertainment, movies, hospitals, salons, amusement parks, service for life. Last one is the service for babies and mothers. But the item I use most is this entertainment. And the icon looks like cocktail. Cheers. Let's look inside. Because in China, we use our phones a lot. And every store are online. So we like to make reservations on our phone. Like the first one. You don't know what is it. It's okay. Let's go inside and let's see the pictures. What is it? What's it? Hey, it's a full massage store. So if you want to get a full massage, it is for you. Maybe I will get one after work today. After all these introductions, you will find it super easy to have fun in China. Only if you know how to check the pictures to see what is this store about, and check the map to get to the place, and know the average price. That's it. It's super easy to enjoy your travel in China. Did you learn? Of course, that's not all of it. I will continue to explore more cities and video vlogs. Please stay tuned. Congratulations, now you know how to improve your travel experience in China. Making content is not easy. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.